is Shruti and welcome to my channel Mascara and Muscles. Thank you so much for tuning in. And before I start today's video, मुझे कुछ ज़रूरी बात करनी है. I have seen that 80% of my viewers are not my subscribers. तो अगर आप मुझे पहली बार देख रहे हैं या आप पहले से मेरी वीडियोस देखते आ रहे हैं, then please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me to reach more and more people and help more and more people. So please subscribe to my channel right now. And now let's get started with the video. So today's video, as you can read in the title, it's the winter glow face massage. And winters can be really harsh on your skin, especially अगर आपकी skin already dry है, जैसे कि मेरी है, और भी ज़रूरी हो जाता है अपनी स्किन का ध्यान रखना और उसका टेक केयर करना. Hence I decided to create a video for winter season जिसमें कि I will show you how you can do a facial massage for a very glowing skin, and it will not only give you a good skin but it will also take you into a very relaxed state because hello massage. Face massages are basically very good for your skin. They increases your blood circulation, they removes toxins, they also give you a very cheeky glow on your cheeks. It also helps in de-stressing, it reduces the signs of aging, and the most important, whoever has facial fat, it also slims down your facial fat.
So wash your face completely before starting the massage. This is called the sprint, where you are basically running your fingers all over your face and it relaxes your facial muscles for the upcoming massage. Now take any oil. It could be a massage oil or argan oil that I am using here, or almond oil that is available with you, or you can also use a moisturizer. Apply it on your face like this, evenly all throughout your face. Now gently move your fingers in zigzag motion, vertical and horizontal. It helps in tightening your lines and releases any tensed muscles on your forehead. This is called the stress press. With the help of two fingers, gently press the temples of your head in circular motion, like I am doing. And now with gentle pressure, pinch your eyebrows as well. Now use two fingers to press the center of your forehead and even behind your ears in circular motion. These points are sure to relieve your stress. This one's called depuff. Move your finger forming a C shape under your eyes, moving it from inward to outward direction. This surely helps in reducing puffiness and you feel an instant calmness as well. This one's called cheeky push-ups. Stroke your hands in upward motion and make sure that it is not downwards. This is wrong. It should always be in an upward motion. It increases your blood flow. It gives your cheek a pink rush of freshness instantly. And of course, it gives you a very cheeky glow. This is called the minus sinus. In this, you have to pinch your nose all the way to the center of your forehead. This one's called the toxins remover. Remove the toxins collected in your lymph nodes by pushing it downwards below your chin, like the way I am doing it. This one's called saw your face. Massage your face from center all the way to your cheekbone. These massages make sure that your facial muscles are active and ultimately encourage a slimmer toned face. You are now done with your facial massage and it's time for your beauty sleep.
So guys, this is how I massage my face during winters. ये मसाज आपकी विंटर ड्राई स्किन को फाइट करने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करेगा. So definitely try this out. Also, if you guys are willing to know my entire night winter routine, then let me know in the comments below and I will definitely create a video on that as well. And also, thank you so much for watching the entire video, and it really means a lot to me when you guys enjoy my content and my content helps you all. And with that, we come to the end of this video and I'll see you in my next one. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with people if you think this video will help them, and like the video. Bye bye and I'll see you soon.